Alrighty. Today's lesson, number 4, activity 3, page 93 on your packet. Let's begin. Number 1, count the sharks. How many are there? Circle your answer. Number 2, how many inches long is this fish? Write the number on the line. Now, let's move on to number 3. Make a set of 6 fish in the circle. So basically, you draw 6 fish inside the circle. Number 4, circle the set that has less than the other. So you will count all the stars and the fish inside the circles. The circle that has less, you circle it. Number 5, put the symbol for less than in the square. Let's move on to the next activity. Number 1, make a set of 10 baseball bats in the dugout. Remember, you draw 10 baseball bats inside the dugout. Number 2, the Dodgers scored 4 runs in the second inning and 5 runs in the ninth inning. How many runs did the Dodgers score altogether? Number 3, what number is this? Say it loudly. Number 4, put the missing symbol in the square. Number 5, what is missing from the AB pattern? Circle your answer. The baseball glove, the catcher, or the baseball. Now, upon completion, make sure to upload your work on Teams. Thank you.